Here's some collision at sea trivia. Subscribe. What ship sank after colliding with an iceberg in 1912? Is it A. SS Andrea Doria, B. USS Constitution, C. HMS Beagle, or D. RMS Titanic? The correct answer is D. RMS Titanic. Which naval disaster occurred in 1945 off the coast of Japan? Is it A. USS Arizona, B. Titanic, C. USS Indianapolis, or D. Bismarck? The correct answer is C. USS Indianapolis. What was the name of the cruise liner sunk in 1987? Is it A. Costa Concordia, B. RMS Titanic, C. Queen Mary II, or D. MS Herald of Free Enterprise? The correct answer is D. MS Herald of Free Enterprise. Which vessel collided with the Andrea Doria in 1956? Is it A. MS Stockholm, B. RMS Queen Mary, C. SS Europa, or D. Titanic? The correct answer is A. MS Stockholm. What incident involved the MV Estelle in 2012? Is it A. Oil spill incident, B. Naval blockade, C. Humanitarian crisis, or D. Gaza flotilla incident? The correct answer is D. Gaza flotilla incident. Which passenger ferry sank in the Baltic Sea in 1994? Is it A. MV Estonia, B. MV Princess Sophia, C. MV Scandinavian Star, or D. MV Apollo? The correct answer is A. MV Estonia. What cargo ship collided with a ferry in 1997? Is it A. MV Ocean Queen, B. MV Sea Escape, C. MV Cargo Master, or D. MV Star Voyager? The correct answer is B. MV Sea Escape. Which oil tanker ran aground in 1989 near Alaska? Is it A. Titanic, B. Discoverer, C. Exxon Valdez, or D. Horizon? The correct answer is C. Exxon Valdez. Which ship was involved in a serious naval accident in 2017? Is it A. USS Fitzgerald, B. USS Antietam, C. USS Bonhomme Richard, or D. USS Cole? The correct answer is A. USS Fitzgerald. Which Russian submarine sank after a collision in 2000? Is it A. K-278 Komsomolets, B. K-29, C. K-141 Kursk, or D. K-433 Orel? The correct answer is C. K-141 Kursk. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.